Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from TERELAX. This is their Shiatsu foot and calf massager. It's also heated. You can check it out on Amazon at the time of this review for $159. Also, you can check it out directly on TERELAX, and they actually have a $50 off coupon, bringing this to $109, which is actually a really great deal. We're going to dig into this right now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so once you get it out of the box, this is what the unit looks like, and it's got a pretty interesting design that I'll go over here. It is built with a plastic shell. There is some metal in here, including this bar that will go up to 360 degrees around to give you an angle to kind of stand it up so that you can get your calf in there. Again, if you want it flat on the ground or whatever surface you're going to use, you can use it like this, kind of with the bar parallel, and then you can put your feet right into it. But you can see it'll lock into place in different angles to be able to get you that angle that you need to stand it on its upside to put your calves in, which I'll demonstrate here in just a few moments. You do have all your buttons up front here, including mode, your power button, your timer, which you can increase by 5 minutes from 15 minutes all the way up to 30 minutes. And it does have these nice little inserts here that are kind of made out of a spandex type material with a zipper that you can unzip. You can unzip this all the way around, and then you can remove this and wash it. It's machine washable. So, you know, if you have guests over and they want to check it out and then you want to wash it later, or just over time, you know, you're going to want to wash this, and it's just a nice addition to be able to wash that and maintain it. Now, also, they give you, again, the option to prop this up with the metal bar, and you can then put your calves in as well. You can also do your forearms, which I'll also demonstrate. You've got your power button here, your mode button. You do have different speeds as well, and you also have a heat button, which will gradually increase the heat with a little LED there to let you know what mode you're in, how much time you have left, and all of that. Now, they do offer you a 1-year free warranty if you go to TERELAX and you register your product, so obviously you're going to want to take advantage of that. Okay, so now that we have it set up, it does have a 5-foot cord for plugging in, so you just have to be within 5 feet of an outlet. You can see that once we turn the power on, it defaults to 15 minutes. You can change that time if you want by 5-minute increments all the way up to 30 minutes. So 30 minutes is the max. Then when it runs out, it will automatically stop. Again, you can also adjust your modes. You have an A1, A2, and A3 mode, and that changes the direction of these massagers and changes just the pattern a little bit. You also have L1, L2, and L3. These are your 3 speeds, increasing from L1 to 2 and to 3. So if you would like a faster massage, you can get that. And then, of course, you have heat at the top, which will just generally start to a low heat and then kind of get a little bit more hot as it goes. To add heat therapy to your massage, if you want to, you can do that as well. So this is what it's like when it's on, and I will turn this voiceover off so you can hear how loud it is. But you can see that it gets in from the sides. It also has stuff that comes up from the bottom to do the soles of your feet. Let's listen to this really quickly so you can hear just how loud this is when it's being used. Now, if I want the speed to be a little bit more, put that on like level 2 speed or even level 3 speed, and we can change the modes as well. But it really does get in there and get your feet and do very, very well on your feet. I'll put on the fast speed, put on A3. So there you could hear how loud the unit actually was, and even on the highest speed it wasn't that loud. I can really feel it even up and through my ankles. So this is really good for people that may have bad ankles or something like that. Something as far as improving blood flow to your lower extremities, a post-workout type thing, or just people with really bad circulation. This would definitely benefit, especially now that we can prop this up and you can put your calves in as well, and you'll be able to see that here, and I'll demo that as well so that you guys can see the calf massage portion. I'm just kind of using the bar to get it at the right angle for the chair that I'm sitting in, and then I'll be able to have my calves in here, and then I'll just power it on, and you can get that same type of massage feeling right there on your calves, which is really excellent. Again, this is a great product if you just want to promote blood flow to your lower extremities, something like that. This is definitely nice. Say you're a runner or something as well. A lot of people have sore calves and or feet from running. This is really going to help for your recovery time and that as well. So overall, this is definitely a beneficial product for all kinds of people, very active people, maybe older people, again, that have poor blood flow. This is definitely going to extend or help that blood flow to your lower legs. Last thing I wanted to try, of course, is putting this either on an angle or maybe even flat down at this point, and putting your forearms into this. You can actually use this to massage your forearms as well. This is kind of an offbeat type of massage, but this device actually does work for it. Obviously, the position that I'm in isn't the way that you would do it. You would probably have this more raised up on a table or something like that, but you can actually do it and get your forearms in there either face up or face down, depending on how you want to do it. And you can see that it will massage your forearms as well. Again, if you work out a lot, this would be beneficial to you. Again, if you might have restricted blood flow to your hands, again, this might be beneficial to you as well. Just something I wanted to add in on the end there. Overall, just a very nice massaging unit from TERELAX. So there you go, guys. That's my review of the TERELAX foot and calf massager. You can get it again directly from TERELAX, and right now they're offering a $50 off coupon that I'll have in the links below, where you can get this for $109.99, which is a really good price for something like this that you'll be able to use to, again, sports therapy or just general health as far as blood flow goes. This does the job, and I'm definitely going to give it a thumbs up. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. Remember to like, and if you guys have not subscribed yet, please do so because that always helps me out. And I'll check you guys out on the next video.